Giving an update on the foot and mouth disease outbreak in the Zambezi region to the National Assembly, the minister called for cooperation among regional governors and farming associations in the NCA to avoid further spread of the disease. Schlatvan said, since the outbreak of the newly discovered FMD type O in the region, more than 150 cattle have died in the Zambezi region, signaling the severity of the pandemic in the region. The ministry has so far procured doses to the tune of $6 million to vaccinate about 150,000 cattle against the disease.
In the light of above, I wish to strongly appeal to all farmers and the general public not to bring animals from northern neighbouring countries in order to avoid possible introduction of these new foot-and-mouth disease variants into Namibia. In addition, farmers and livestock traders are requested to refrain from illegal movement of animals and potentially infected foot-and-mouth disease material from neighbouring countries to avoid further animal disease outbreaks in our country.
The FMD type O virus was first detected in late May in the Kasika area, Kabe South constituency, before spreading to other parts of the region. The strain of FMD is reported to have come from neighbouring Zambia, where it was first discovered in 2019. While some parliamentarians questioned government's seriousness in tackling FMD in the NCA area.
What is the strategy, the overall overarching strategy that we must deploy to really get rid of this thing? Because you are rightly putting it that if those cattle reaches Kavango and reaches Ohangwena, then the whole northern region will not be able to sell, and we know that they are suffering from the prices already. So I'm very worried about our mega strategy on fighting this thing, because something is not right.
What is the strategy on border control, and what is the strategy in-house in our country to make sure that at the end of the day we do confine outbreaks where it really sort of starts and not allow it to spread like wildfire all over the show.
What is your intelligence telling you? Is there a specific sabotage of the northern farmers to keep us in perpetual poverty in the protection of the southern market for a specific group of people? Or what is going on?
But Schlatvan reassured them of government's commitment, hence it's offering regular vaccination at no cost.
For now, our strategy is to vaccinate the whole population twice a year. That means first shot and booster shot, to protect the own herd against any infestation that comes from the northern neighbors, which is open, and these countries don't do anything. They don't vaccinate. They've got no disease control measures against foot and mouth in place as we speak, except Botswana.
Jeff Tachihomino, NBC News, Windhoek.